Hi guys, welcome to Ansari Spoken Academy. Guys, today I have taken one topic, and today is GD class. In this GD, we will discuss about intercaste marriage is good. So there is a mistake, guys, because there are four students. They have completed only 2 and 3 months. If there is a grammatical mistake, don't mind, please. And today I would like to ask one by one question, and everyone will reply. Okay, so Shreyam first.
My name is Rampal. I belong from Survarsha School. So I think today we will separate for intercaste good or bad.
Hello, my name is Ahsan Ulhaq. I'm belong from Kutaha. I'm basically Mirzapur. I'm telling something about intercaste marriage. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Aman Singh and I live in Parita and we are discussing about intercaste marriage, good or bad in India.
Hello, first of all, I am Lal Bahadur. I am belong from Kutaha, and today we will discuss about intercaste marriage is good in India or not. That's thank you.
Very good, very good. So guys, now we are going to start our topic, intercaste marriage is good or bad. So guys, first I would like to ask Shreyam, what's your opinion, Shreyam?
I think intercaste marriage is good because we are also human. For we all because when time we all one of we all don't know कि I am which I am who are you. I am not Muslim, ये Hindu वगैरह Sikh Isai. I don't know. It is society is also make him. So I don't agree for society rules. I should intercaste is good.
Thank you very much. I'm good. I'm also thanks for you, because today I would like to tell you something about intercaste of marriage. So this is the big topic. This is a big topic. I will tell you one by one each and everything for this. You know, also India is a diverse country. There are so many culture belongs here and live here together, and so many sets of so many own ideas of people. You know, also here according to me, just family is a smallest unit of society, and society a big performance and big ideas of the world. So I will tell you something, intercaste of marriage. So marriage is important. Marriage not only two males and females. Marriage is depend on two families. So marriage is also important. If you marry in any other casting, is also good, but our family is good, then marriage we can got married in other casting. Why? It should be real marriage. If I am married with other girls, they have no any ideas for my families or my society, then he is not good. So marriage is good, or intercaste marriage is good, and good and bad both are. So we should care. If here is India is a diverse country, so we should marry in each other intercasting. It is also good. Just like let's take an example. I got and I married in other castes. Just her name anything. So he came in my home, but he don't know anything in my religion, in my society. They will not manage, or they will not manage my family. So it is failed. It should be failed, because they have no idea how to manage himself. So it is bad or good. If I love, if anybody any girls I love much and much, so it is good for us, because you know in India there are so many culture. In India there are so many cultures. So girls and boys love each other. What's its result? They have got married, and anybody want to left each other. They can't left, because their inner conscience asked or told him we should not live alone without him. So they should marry, because it is for him life. If they should not got married, they anywhere got killed or suicide. Okay. So I will giving mic next.
I don't agree with Shreyam and Asanul sir. And my opinion is intercaste marriage is good bad in India, because according to old people and villager people, it is a big problem and it's big sin, because India is a cultural country, so it is bad. We should marriage in our caste. Thank you.
I don't agree with both of you. I agree with Aman. Because it is not good intercaste marriage in India, because India is a religious country and very ancient, running on very ancient time. We should not marry any next caste. I mean, no, we don't should marry any another caste. That is, thank you.
Okay, that's very good. So both of you against of these things, and what's your opinion, Shreyam? You agree with both of not?
I don't agree with you both, because we are also human. For I know we all country is our India country is also religious, and so many religious people is also live our India. It is also good news for all religious human is also live. So we are also human. We all just like, suppose that we all have any, just like we all have blood, so search for other caste body blood is equal, so not is different. So why are you, it is depend for society and our is always speak, you are this, you are another caste, you are another caste, you should do marry our caste. So it is not good, because if we see just like first time age gap means such type of work is also very high, but in this time is also low. For we should look for our condition, what's going on our India. We will not look for our, just like as you know, for Jammu Kashmir is first time is also make for our constitution, but is also bad. So my India is always do in intercaste marriage, or we all do for caste marriage is not good.
That's very good.
Thank you. That's very good. I understand. So I'm telling you now next. Here is there are two types of faith. One is the girls' faith and one is the boys' faith. Common in a rural areas or urban areas, there are girls and boys love each other. If they will not believe each other, they fail to love or be loved. They believe in each other, then they should love and they should got married. In India, because in urban areas and cities areas, the girls and boys study together. They have common feeling. They have common feeling because they have common feeling. They got married. Here there are so many cases. The student when he is going on study, after that he got married. Why? What is the reason? Reason is only simple. They have same feelings and same things and same common each and everything. So due to this reason they got married. So it is a big reason. If I have same feeling and you have same feeling, then you will be my friend. Otherwise you are not same feeling just like me, then you are not my friend. So they select, this is good, that is good for my personal life, or that is not good my personal life. Also in the Constitution of India, something given for common people. If you love any intercaste marriage, then government allow for you, because you are happy. Government want to you be happy. So government want to be you be happy. You can do any intercaste marriage, because our government allow for marriage in any caste. So government think about this. And if it is not possible for anywhere, then what will be the student do, or what will be do for same feelings, girls or boys? They should suicide, or they should go any hell and any other other places, and they do kill himself. So there is a big problem. India is a, also India is a diverse country. Here is so many religion, just like Muslim, Hindus, Sikh, Ishai, and so many religion here. So here is important chीज for only feelings, not other things, caste and religion. You should got married in any caste, because also India is a diverse or cultural country. Here is, if you go any higher places, any big or any big places, then it cannot depend on you are Muslim, you are Hindus, only depend upon your manner. If you have manner, then everyone's salute you and give respect to you, everyone want to talk you. So it's depend upon behavior, manner, and each and everything. If you are any respected families, then you all people give you a respect and everything. So you can do also, you can got a marriage also, because here is not dependent on big platform or big places. Marriage culture is important. Also Sania Mirza, and so many examples we have given, just like Arbaz Khan. He is also married in intercaste marriage. So there are so many example, just like Indira Gandhi is also intercaste marriage. So here is also important and profit. There are many types of benefit for this. Just like for example, let's take an example. I got married in another caste. Then their genes is other and my genes is other. Then they fertilize each other. They create a new genes and hybridized genes. It is better for environment. They have he has intelligent. He may be good in. He may be become a scientist. He may be become a soldiers in India. So he is good for everywhere. He remain any places. He good for everywhere, because he is that is a sincere and intelligent minded. So I think, according to my opinion, intercaste marriage is good, because I agree with this marriage, and we should marry intercaste marriage, no problem in any cases. Thank you. That's all.
Just a moment ago, you said that government allow. I know and we know very well that government allow, but different religious men, different religious has a different book, like Ramayana, Quran, Bible, that type, and maybe he's thinking different. He's thinking big. He's thinking. Small, and you can see that every day 80%, 90% all marriage maybe in caste. So it is bad. My opinion, intercaste is bad in India.
To my opinion, I agree with Aman. Just a moment ago, Ahsanul sir spoke that only we know very well our India, our government is allowed to, you can do intercaste marriage, but only marriage is not good for us. Government should give so many facility, yes, so many facility, and we unwillingly we want to married in intercaste marriage, but our social and our parent don't want do marriage intercaste marriage, because if we will do marriage intercaste marriage, but my parents and run away my home, and on that time what will we do? That's enough.
Thank you.
That's very good. This is very interesting, JD, and going on, I think very good. And There are two party here and they are against with each other, and there is no result coming because I agree both of you, and I want to again ask question. What is your opinion, Shreyam? Speak again.
So I think just a moment ago you all think just like we are intercaste marriage. You are send a government is saying you can do intercaste marriage. He is not say. He is very big man. He is our India is very bad. All people is also saying you are wrong. Why are you saying why are you do for intercaste marriage? It is depend for me. It is depend for society. First we all do. After that first he is give any permission. So it is not good. As you know, our India is very religious. For people live, any person think is right, anything is dislike for I don't agree. He is saying. So his PM is very is not meet for respect. He is very, as you know, for our government is very respectfully. We are not give, but our world is also give. So he is not calling for just like we are always take name or saying please come just like name, but he is not. He is take for Indian president, Indian prime minister. It is not depend for government. We should take me. If so think we all make for government. Government make him. Not we all think how to is in this time going on for Loktantra. Democracy is also going for in India. So it is not depend for government. We should take me.
Okay, thank you. That's very good. Stop कर दो, माइक लगा देते हैं. So I will telling you, intercaste marriage is benefits. I am just telling you intercaste marriage is benefits. You know, if anybody intercaste marriage, they have two difficulties in front of. They have two difficulties. One is if there are two males and females, they married each other. They go in his home. There are two ideas. One is the other ideas, and one is that there are different feelings. And they thought after that he fertilized each other and he got he will burn he has burn a child. They have free from any, in government of India, they are free from any religion want to choose, then select, no problem, because India is a democratic country, you know, also. So they can select any. Just like take an example, if I am going to America, I want to go in America, and I do a job for America, and I think I got a marriage in America. Then American people are Sikh or other castes, I'm a Muslim. So we got married. There are two things, one is the American and one is the Indian. But it is important, if we don't get married, then what it will be resulted? Then my development will be not possible, because if we got married, then my development will be possible, because so many flats and other things and companies, there are so many things I got, and love also I got, so many things. So it is not necessary for if we do married in same caste. We can also we can married in other caste. It is also development my mind and my families and society, because if anybody can do love in other caste, what will be its result? Its result, the people angry. The people angry. Why? Because they got married in other castes. But after some time, the people want to meet him, and his life is also be just like society. So according to me, in India, because India is a diverse and diversity country, so intercaste marriage is possible and intercaste marriage is important. In other country we don't know, but in India intercaste marriage is important, because here are so many castes and so many religions. So we don't know which type of student, which type of girls like. I don't know, but they should like. They should. If they was like, they is like, then he got married. So this is my opinion, and this is my. I conclude that my topic. Intercaste is marriage is good for everyone in India. Thank you very much.
I can give proof that why is intercaste marriage is bad. Because suppose if any person marries in different religious, after that when any people look will look and will say, hey, look, it's a big sinner and it's a criminal. He marriage in a different religious. It's a blame. It's a blame for your all life. Then we should think. Intercaste marriage in bad in India.
I am agree with Aman. I have no idea
Why you have no idea? Speak, continue.
what is speak.
It's very interesting. GD guys, there is some mistake, grammatical mistake, because they have completed 2 and 3 months, and if there is any problem, so please forgive us, and sorry for this. And guys, if you want to join us, please come and join us, because be the best. And if you want to such type of video in your YouTube, so please share, subscribe my channel. For today, that's enough. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.